What is up, Fit Pros? Andy here from fitprobusiness.com. Hope everybody's doing well. Hey, if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing as I deliver weekly in the trenches advice on what's working for me in my business as far as marketing and advertising, setting more appointments and closing more sales, what I'm applying for myself as well as what I'm learning from other industry leaders that I want to pass on to you guys. So today what I want to do is give you guys a quick tour of my facility on where I've built my business over the last 13 years. And that's applied a living for myself as well as allowed my wife to stay home with our two girls as they've grown up. So just a quick tour of my facility and that to show you guys what's possible and that you don't have to open up a 5,000 or 10,000 square foot business to be successful. And what it takes is not a matter of what your facility has, because I opened up my first studio with a 400 square foot office that I shared a restroom with the person that rented the building next to me. And that's how I started my business over 13 years ago. And then this is the building where I've branched into and I've been over the last 13 years that I branched into, and just kind of wanted to give you guys an idea of what I have in the studio, as well as what's possible for you guys. So hope that this video helps you guys. And I will also be dropping information in my next video about steps that it takes to open up your business and be successful. So stick with me as I give you guys a quick tour of my facility. All right, so my studio is about 1,500 square feet. And we have it all set up in pockets because we do all semi-private personal training, 30-minute training sessions, and we train anywhere between 3 to 5 clients per half hour. So that is a full round circle of my entire studio, and each of our client sessions are personalized to their specific goals and what their limitations may be. But the studio is set up with pockets of working space so that clients don't have to wait for equipment and they can continue to work through a session without interruption and get in a full body workout that burns a ton of calories in 30 minutes and not have to cross paths or wait for equipment. So hopefully I'm not making you guys dizzy, but there's a full round tour of the facility. Back here we call it our private cardio tunnel. Clients come back here, they zone out, do cardio. So our sessions are broken up, 30 minutes of weight training with 30 minutes of cardiovascular training. And like I said, we train between 3 to 5 clients every half hour. And each thing is set up in pockets so that each client has their own personal space. So like I said, it doesn't require a huge building or tons of equipment to be successful in operating your personal training business, as like I have been running my personal training business for the last 13 years, and it supplied a living for myself, as well as my wife, allowed my wife to stay home. This is my office here, where we do our consultations and close sales. And there you have it. Let me give you guys a view from the front door. So signage on the outside door, and then here you go. Here's a full view of the personal training studio. So I hope this helps you guys, gives you an idea of what I'm doing and how I'm operating my business, and hopefully you guys can apply it to yourself if you're just getting started. Again, I recommend starting small. I started in a 400 square foot office and branched to this facility. So it can be done. I hope this motivates you guys and gives you some inspiration. And like I said, I'll be dropping a video over the next week on steps to take when you're starting your personal training business. Talk to you soon. Have a good one.